project title is Study and Comparison of Glass Fiber Concrete with Conventional Concrete. It's done by myself, Natarajan, Pragdishwaran, Damodaran, and Santosh. It is guided by Mrs. Sudha Priya ma'am, MD. Our abstract is GFC is an effective way to improve the performance of the concrete. We can increase the compressive and tensile strength of the concrete in comparison with conventional concrete. Glass fibers are usually replaced by volume, and we replaced it with total volume of 0.5, 0.75 and 1%. The testings are done after 7, 14 and 28 days. Introduction. GFC is an effective way to increase the durability and toughness of the concrete. It also increases the mechanical properties of the concrete like compression and tensile strength, creep behavior, impact resistance and toughness. Our aim is to determine the tensile strength and compressive strength of glass fiber reinforced concrete and to increase the performance of the GFC in comparison with conventional concrete. The scope of GFC it's gaining much attention. It's used commonly in developed countries like UK, but it's not used in India because of its high cost, but are used in some major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, etc. The salient features of GFC are its high alkaline resistance, high dispersion, high immunity to corrosion, high flexibility, and high consistency. Literature review. We study the following articles. Testing and test method of fiber cement composites by R. N. Swamy. The role of interface in glass fiber reinforced cement by Majmudar A.J. Cladding of buildings by Alan J. Brooks. Methodology. The methodology we followed is first we collected the literature review, then the data collection and analysis of data, buying of raw materials, then preliminary test on the raw materials, then cube is casted and cured, then the testing of cubes and cylinders are done, then the results are obtained and compared with conventional concrete results, then discussion and conclusion, finally the report submission. Materials we used are cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, and the glass fiber we used is Recron-3S. This is the preparation method we followed for the sample. Mix of glass fiber. Glass fibers are usually mixed with total volume, and it's usually up to 2%. They mainly act as a secondary reinforcement in concrete. This is our sample glass fiber Recron-3S. Mixed design we followed is a M25 grade, and the mix ratio is 1:1:2. The water cement ratio is 0.36. This is the preparation method we follow for the concrete. The forms of mold we used are cubes and cylinders. The size of the cube is 150 mm cross 150 mm cross 150 mm, and that of cylinder is 150 mm in diameter and 300 mm in height. The tests we conducted are compressive strength test and split tensile strength test. This is the compression testing machine. The compression test answers we obtained for conventional gas fiber concrete are shown here. A bar chart representing it is shown, and the improvements is shown. This is the split tensile strength, and the data we got from it. The bar chart representing it. The conclusion is we get the maximum compressive strength at the selected percentages we used. The cracks can be controlled with this, and the failure is gradual, while that of conventional concrete is its brittle failure of plain concrete. References: Advanced. This is in concrete technology by Malhotra VM. The chemistry of concrete superplastizers, rheology and hydration kinetics of Portland cement pastes containing mixtures of naphthalene and melamine based superplastizers. Using superplastizers in high performance concrete by Lizard M. Properties of concrete by Nevelli AM. Thank you.